have a new setting powder to try out today. I received this one in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus in January's bag. So this is the Half Caked Star Bright Loose Setting Powder. So I have very oily skin, so I was very excited to see that this powder is a matte finish. It does retail for $18 if you would like to get it on their website. It's a 0.35 ounce. We do have two different shades. This one is in translucent 1.0. They also have translucent 2.0. So there it is. I like pressed powders better. They usually send a lot of loose powders. It says Star Bright Loose Setting Powder completes every makeup look with a natural, never flat matte finish designed to control your level of dewiness, blur the appearance of pores, and chase away imperfections. I mean, that sounds perfect, right? Who doesn't want like blurred pores? This translucent powder won't cake into fine lines, dull your skin's appearance, or create an unnatural white cast in flash photography. Boosted with vitamin E to soften the skin while it keeps your look in check. It is made in China. So close up. There it is. Just open it here. You get a cute little puff. You get a nice mirror as well. Okay. I have my full face on. I just need my bronzer and blush, but I wanted to apply this powder first. I'm going to apply with the puff on one side to see if we can see the difference. My foundation right now, it's not like super dewy or anything. I just applied it, so I haven't had a chance to get a super oily, but here's a close-up here. And I haven't finished my eye look either because I'm going to be reviewing a liquid liner next. That's why I'm still like incomplete. So I'm like really tapping this. There you go. Now it looks like I have some product. I'm gonna go ahead and let's do this side. I'm just gonna, I guess, tap. There is no fragrance. I don't know. Like applying it like this, do you see that? Like you can tell the powder's there right away. Maybe I just have to like tap really hard on my face to like set all of that in. And you don't have to do it with this little sponge. You can do it with your brush. Maybe the other side I'll try with the brush. Tapping it here. Can you tell the difference? Like, it does look really nice. It instantly like mattified my face. That's really nice. I'm gonna try this way and see if we get a different result. So I think I got some product there, so I'm just gonna like tap here on this side. Right away you see the pores look much nicer. And I love the matte finish. Like I said, I love being matte. I really like both of them. I really liked like the puff. I think that's really gonna set your foundation in place. Like you just pressing it in like that instead of just like this tapping motion. Just gonna close it up. It's a really nice finish. Really, really nice matte finish if that's something you're into. Let me know if you also received this in your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I think I might keep using it with the puff though. I really like the effect. Now I can finally put my bronzer and my blush so I can go make my other video and finish this eye look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.